Hi everyone, welcome to Dan Creations. My name is Dipali and today I will show you how to bleach your face, and also I will be giving a demonstration of this particular product, and also I'll be giving you an honest unsponsored review. So this product is Richfeel Luxury Gold Bleach Kit. So first things first, do you really need a bleach on your face? Before that, I'd also like to tell you that who should watch this video. So this video is for people who are trying to bleach their face at home for the first time, and also those people who have been bleaching their faces but don't know how to use it properly, because I'll be telling you what all things you should be avoiding and what is the best way to use a bleach, because bleach does contain a few chemicals which if not done properly can be harmful to your skin. So keep watching the video till the end. Okay, so when you go to the market, there are bleaches available in different brands. So we have Richfeel, we have Fem, we have Oxylife, we also have other brands like VLCC, etc. And within these brands also you have different variety. For example, in Fem, this is the gold one. We also have it available in pink, yellow, blue, etc. So there is one bleach for sensitive skin, some other for fairness, etc. So you can, depending upon your requirement, you can go ahead and buy the bleach. Fine. So now let me tell you, why do you need a bleach, or should you even bleach your face at all? So if you have unwanted hair on your face, it can be anywhere, it can be on the upper lip, sides, anywhere. So, and you do not want to wax them, you do not want to thread them off. So bleach is one way in which you can hide your facial hair, because what does a bleach do? It lightens your facial hair, so they become less visible. So that's the first case where you can bleach. Second use can be that if you've come back from a holiday and you are all tanned, you've got exposed to the sun a lot. So you can use this bleach and it will give you an instant tan removal. Third use can be that if you are finding your skin very dull and not that brightened, then you can use this, and with a single use you'll find an instant effect and it will instantly brighten up your skin. Fourth use is that if you've got uneven skin, then again you can use a bleach to even out the skin tone. Okay, so let us now begin with the demonstration of this particular product. So this package comes, this is as I told you, this is Richfeel Luxury Gold Bleach. It comes in a golden packaging. MRP is 89 rupees and this is 28 gram. So I think this can be used 2-3 times on your face, depending upon whether you want to bleach only the face or you want to bleach your neck as well. So it contains the bleach cream, which acts as the base, then an activator powder. It also contains the post bleach gel, and it has a user manual along with a spatula here. So a word of precaution. In fact, there are 3 things which I would like to tell you. When you're mixing the bleach, when you're preparing it, always use a plastic container or a glass bowl. Do not use a metal container. Secondly, if you're trying out bleach at home for the first time, please do a patch test somewhere on your arms to figure out if you have a reaction to that particular product. And third thing is, it is always advisable that you bleach your face at the night time, because after applying bleach, you should not step out of your home for the next 5 to 6 hours. You should avoid sun exposure and do not put any kind of makeup or any face wash or any kind of soap on your skin, at least for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours. So I advise bleaching your face in the night, so that you can then have a nice sleep and your skin also gets some time to rejuvenate and will feel better and healthy the next day. So let's begin. So I'll show you how to mix and everything, and while I'm doing this, what you can do is you can go and subscribe to our channel if you're already liking the video. Alright, so I already have an empty container because I used this bleach earlier. So I'll use the same container, and let me show you. What I'll do is, I'll take the bleach cream I'll open it, use the spatula which I already have, and I will take, this is one, this is two, and this is three. So I'll take a little more because I want to bleach my neck as well. So I'll take a little more. This is the fourth spatula that I'm using. Okay. What I will do is now, see, if you go through the instructor manual, it mentions how much to mix. So what I'll do is, I will take the Activator Powder. It is seal pack. I'll open it up. Be careful while opening it up because it is very tight. It was very tightly packed and it took some time for me to open it. So now it's finally open. Let me take some quantity of it and mix it with the bleach cream. So you can see how much I'm taking. So I'll be taking almost 4 pinches because I've taken 4 spatula of the cream. Alright, I'll mix it well. Just allow it to mix for a minute and ensure that it is mixed properly. So now I've mixed it properly and now it's the time to apply. So let me just put a clutcher. Just avoid any hair on your face because it will also get bleached otherwise. Alright, so now it's the time to bleach. You can use a mirror to see and so this is how you have to apply on your entire face. So I'll take some time to apply this on my face and my neck and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I applied the cream, the bleach cream mix all over my face, my side hair and all over my neck, and I kept it for 15 minutes, but depending upon your skin complexion the time will vary. So if you have dark skin you have to keep it only up till 10 minutes. For whitish skin you can keep anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, and I kept it for around 15-16 minutes, and then using the spatula I just removed the bleach cream and I saw that my hair got bleached. So then after that I removed the entire cream and I washed my face with cold water. Do not apply any face wash after this. And now it's the time to apply the post bleach gel. But in between, what I have also done after washing the bleach is that I applied a face pack which has not come together along with this bleach, but I prefer to apply a face pack right after my bleach. So I took some multani mitti, that is fuller's earth, and I took little chandan powder and mixed it with gulab jal, and then I applied it, kept it for 5-7 minutes and I washed it off. So what happens is chandan powder helps to cool your skin, so I feel it is better to do after a bleach session. Alright, now coming on to the post bleach gel, I'll take a little amount and then I'll apply it all over my face. Okay. So I've applied the gel over my face, let it absorb. I'll also take a little for my neck. Alright, so here we go. So if I look into the mirror, I already can see little plumpiness on my face, and it looks a lot more brighter. So yes, it works wonder for your skin. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to help out your friends who are trying bleach for the first time, you can share the YouTube link on your WhatsApp group or individual chats. So keep watching our videos, and do let me know on the comment section in case you have any questions. I'll be happy to take them up. See you next time. Bye bye.